Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word Gloria. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Gloria was overjoyed when she found out she had been accepted into her dream college. In this sentence, Gloria is a proper noun used to refer to a specific individual, indicating that she experienced a strong feeling of happiness or pride. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.